Hey guys, so I just received an email from Mrs. Powell, and so this is what your assignments might look like. So you're going to receive an email, and it'll say Miss Powell posted an assignment in Miss Powell's first grade class. You would click on the open button, and then once it pops up, this is what it should look like. All right, so here it is. It says, number 1, look at the picture of some of my favorite foods. And number 2, get a picture of something you like to eat and submit it here. So you would click on this to see Miss Powell's favorite food. Yum, right? And then you click out of it. And then if you want to add your favorite food, you're going to come over here to the Your Work area. You're going to click on Add or Create. Go down to Google Docs, and then it's going to open up a brand new Google Docs. All right, and then you're going to be able to insert an image of your favorite food. So you're going to click Insert Image. If you already have one from your computer, you can click on this tab that says Upload from the computer, but I figured most of you would probably have to search for your favorite food, so click Search the Web. And then you're going to type in your favorite food. So let's just say Miss Powell, my favorite food is pizza. So I'm going to put in an image of pizza. And all I did was click on it and click Insert. All right, and then come up here to the button that says Turn In. And then that should get you done. All right. And then it says 1 attachment will be submitted for science practice assessment. And it's just reviewing it, and then you click Turn In. And that should be it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching or listening.